Not sure if it's enough trailer and truck for this load. Good morning, guys and gals of the YouTube world, the do-it-yourselfers, the DIYers. I hope you're having a good day, a good morning. Getting my day started. Just got a little project over here. I've already been working on taking the pea gravel out, putting in the black lava rock on this building. Just thought I'd shoot you a little video to show you a little bit of that process. It is back-breaking, shoveling, but somebody's got to do it, and I got voted most likely to do it. See the BX following along. A mighty little tractor in a small package. As you see, I've got the lava rock in right there, so I've got to get most of this gravel out right here, and there's just only one way that I have found to do it, and that is with this shovel. And I'm dragging the shovel next to this black edging, trying to trench it out so it'll hold that lava rock better. Well, I've got this one cleaned all the way down, as clean as I'm going to get it. I'm not going to just scrape and scrape because the lava rock will go over it. It just takes up space. I got the bucket crammed full. I think that's the only one I lack right there. Get it and I'm done with it. It's going to be time to start putting the lava rock in, and that's where it really gets exciting. I mean, you're going to want to stick around for that part because the process of that is really exciting. But I've got a hole around back. We're going to dump this gravel in, and I've got 2 or 3 theories about this hole. So let's go around there. You can see the edges are falling in, and I've been trying to fill it up. You can see where I don't know if the camera will focus in on that. I've been trying to put brick and rocks and just everything down in to fill it up. Jesse James did rob a bank here in town, and I don't know if they hid in there, they put money down in there. If Capone and his men, and who's a Lucky Luciani, whoever, they used this for hiding liquor during Prohibition years. Jimmy Hoffa, I know they've been looking for him forever, so I don't know if he's in here or what, but we're gonna put this gravel. Made much of a dent in it. All right, I'm gonna do this one. You've already seen me do that around front, so there's no sense in videoing this. You might ask yourself, why would you take the time to shoot a meaningless video like this? Well, Tim's around the other side of the building painting. Jeff is off mowing rental property lawns. I'm over here working by myself, so you're company to me. Shooting these videos just gives me somebody, you know, talk to. And you know, the Seinfeld show was about nothing, and man, it was a huge hit. My wife thinks I'm funny. Watch this.
Stop. Oh. Oh my God. Where? Stop. Oh my God, that was so funny. Stop.
That was on our way back from Gulf Shores. We stopped at a little barbecue place to eat. My wife got something on her mind, stupid I did the day before, and she got uncontrollably tickled about it and making fun of me. And so see, she thinks I'm funny. You thought I was too old to get up in here, didn't you? I don't know who come up with manual labor, but I'm against it. See my truck parked like that? I got a cone out here. True story. There was a guy parked like this, was working on a yard, had his trailer parked like that. This girl comes down the street, does not see his truck and trailer, goes up that trailer, goes across his truck, takes the cab off of his truck, totals his truck, totals his trailer. She turned her car upside down in the street, in a city street. Now the speed limit here is 20-25, I would guess, on a city street, most side streets like this. I don't know how fast she was running to total his truck, his trailer, took the cab off of it. Wow, so can't never be too safe when you're parked on the side of the road. Now I told you to stick around for this, putting that lava rock in. This is where it really gets exciting right here. I do like it because as you put it in and you come down through the bed, you start seeing the results of it. I'm kind of a results guy, just like painting this building right here, taking this on to do it. It was just exciting to do it and then watch the transformation of the building. So the process doesn't change. It's the same. Scoop it in, scoop it out. What I'm doing now, you see these bricks painted black? Painted black. So I'm going to use them here to edge right around this. So paint them black. Another one of my ingenious ideas, because the theme of this place is black and white, so I didn't want red bricks, so paint them black. Well, there you go, guys. It's not bad a morning's work, is it? Shovel all the gravel out of there, put the lava rock in. Boy, it just looks so much better up against that white. Kind of give you a view of it. Got this little corner in, shoveled all the gravel out, lavaed it in, bricks painted, put in, all in a morning's work. It's time for lunch now. What I'm going to do now is, see the dirt? I need that down at that salon where I'm making a flower bed in the back. I need that as filler. And it's got a little bit of trash in it. It's got some gravel and some rocks, but it is good dirt. It's very good dirt, but it just got some stuff mixed in it. But I just need filler dirt. So I'm gonna take the little BX and push that dirt around a little bit and get it kind of more in a pile, and then take the L6060 and scoop it up and run it down to the salon. I don't know, was this cheating? Now we're in here in air conditioned, good and cool. Yes, sir. I kind of shook that dirt off and leveled it off on the bucket fairly well because we were going to go down the road. So, turning all my lights on and all flash. Because I'm just going to drive this over to the salon instead of loading it up. You can hear that turbocharger whistle every now and then. This is a heck of a tractor right here. You know, I know it's, what is it, 60 with a turbo, but it's just a good machine. And I think I've owned 5 or 6 Kubota tractors over the years, and this is probably one of the best setup tractors. And of course I kind of loaded it up a little more with luxury items. And so I'm going to try to feather this in here a little bit. I'll show you here in just a minute more about what I'm doing. I'm just going to try to drop a little, and I'm going to have to rake it around. Probably going to need to go get my other blocks before so I know kind of how deep to get it. I don't really know how deep to get it. I just dumped it all right there. I'll shovel it around, rake it around, and I'm going to have to go get those blocks because I don't really know how much to get. But to show you what I'm going to do is, you can see down through here I've got those rocks. Went and bought these shrubs. I got more shrubs over in front of that car, and they're going to go down through here, but I'm going to fill it up with dirt so it don't take so many of those lava rocks, because those lava rocks are high. I had this feature on my New Holland skid steer track loader, and it is the deal. Now I can just tell you. And when I got the L3560 and I didn't get that on it, I was disappointed. I should have got it. My wife was, because I was fussing about it all the time. She's like, "Why didn't you do it?" And I said, "Well, it was just so expensive. I didn't do it." And she was like, "Well, you know better to do that. You should have got it." But boy, when you go to hooking and unhooking attachments on your front end, now one thing you got to do is you got to be using it, and you got to keep it greased, because if you don't use it, you don't keep it greased, it'll quit working on you. It's the way it was with that skid loader, track loader. And I always flip it back like that, and I roll it up where I can see them engage. That right there is worth the money, and it just makes it so easy. We're gonna go get some blocks, some more of those blocks. I need those blocks before I start putting dirt in there. There's a local hardware store here that sells those blocks like I need, so we'll run and get some. You see that? And it's got a warning beeper. It beeps at me, telling me it needs some fuel. Now it's happier, full. It ain't beeping at me. I'll be happier too. I won't be walking. Well, the bad part is they don't unload themselves. They're not the exact kind of bricks, but they're here local blocks, whatever you want to call them. See, my other ones are kind of rounded. These are square, but they're here local. It's quick, easy, get them. The other ones are more buried in the gravel, so you're not going to see them that much. I decided to do it like that because I need to leave room to get the trash cans out, so I'm probably going to white rock that in there and bring it up where it just easily roll the trash can out over there. There's just a lot of traffic pulling up here. This place has a lot of business, and so I'm trying to make it taller where you can see it. So now I'm going to rake this dirt out. that kind of gives you a gist. I just went and grabbed some stuff. There's a local place here that sells some shrubs, and I just went and grabbed some stuff and a knockout rose, and I may have to get some more stuff. I just went and grabbed, I think, about 10 items. I'm gonna quit, man. It's well, it ain't as late as I thought it was. It's just 4:30. I thought it was like 5:30. I'm out. Well, no, he's got his stuff down through there. Let's call it quits, guys. Y'all have a blessed day. I thank you so much for watching. Remember, God loves you. Jesus died for you. Man, if I didn't enjoy being with you, I wouldn't make these videos, but I enjoy just kind of hanging out with you. Y'all have a blessed day.